What's in my belly?
You want to ask me what's in your belly now?
Yeah, what's in my belly?
A baby.
Really?
Yeah, a baby.
And do you think it's a boy or a girl?
A boy.
What are you going to name it if it's a boy?
A boy.
You're going to name it Boyby?
You're going to name it Boyby.
Oh, and what are you going to name it if it's a girl?
Brenna. I'm going to name it Brenna or Kaylee if it's a girl.
Brenna or Kaylee.
Brenna.
Those are nice names. Kaylee's already taken by you. Do you want a little brother or sister?
Yeah, I want a little brother.
You want a little brother?
No, you want a little sister.
No, you want a little sister?
No, I want a little sister.
Okay. I'll work on it.
Yeah. Get to end of the treasure.
Where did I go today?
Mommy went to the doctor.
And what did I do there?
The doctor checked your little belly there.
And what did he say?
He said,
He said the baby is healthy, right?
Yeah.
And we heard the heartbeat.
Yeah, we heard a heartbeat.
Isn't that exciting?
Yeah. Bye. Mommy, the baby wants to ask you who questions to get all little.
Oh yeah? What does the baby want to ask me?
The baby wants to ask you if anything's in your belly, Mommy. That's what the baby wants to ask you.
Well, I ate a muffin.
Yeah, that's what the baby's trying to ask you.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh. What does the baby want me to eat?
Jelly on you.
Jelly on there?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I'll get my seeds to make it good.
Okay.